Hello, I'm Sasha, and this is my studio, where my family and I create leather bags for women. Let me show you how it all happens. We work only with genuine Italian leather. My cousin Oля cuts the details, and she is a goddess in this. She seems to be able to do this with her eyes closed. When the details are cut, they need to be improved. There are many preparatory stages I guess you've never even heard about before the bag becomes the bag. I created this model to be universal and to suit both morning, evening, classy and sporty looks. Here it is. But there is a lack of something, some special detail. We took this from folk handmade art of seed bead harnessing. Usually they make necklaces or bracelets. When I saw such a necklace, I immediately imagined how cool it would be as a bag handle. How nice it would be touching it, how it gave the therapeutic effect due to grain, how it took attention with its blaze. We realized we could make the handles replaceable to make the bag feel new. This is my mom. She is 48 and finally she can say that she is working her dream job. For the last 3 years, my mom has been creating seed bead handles and all handmade embroidery on other bags. This is my sister Zhenya. She is the face of our brand. We always shoot her for our campaigns, website and Instagram. Zhenya is the youngest member of our team, and she is in barn model. After posing, Zhenya works in Photoshop. You can see the result of our common work on our website. But it's easy to get lost in such range of colors. And the handles are difficult to be imagined with each bag. To make it easier for you to choose, we need to integrate a constructor in our website that will allow to try each handle on every bag. That's why we decided to ask you to help us in fundraising for the constructor development. We created our favorite bag in 5 colors, 2 sizes and with 5 handle options. We offer you to order your bag with a special price. Please help us to make our little dream come true.